Do you work with athletes? Are you interested in learning what to do nutritionally if they get injured or if they have planned surgery? Hi, my name is Rachel Scriven and I'm presenting this Megabite course on nutrition and sports injuries. Throughout this course, I highlight the pivotal role nutrition can play in the prevention and treatment of different sporting injuries. I explain the wound healing process and the latest research evidence on what novel nutrition strategies are recommended to assist a speedy recovery. I have over 20 years experience working in sports nutrition and I am an athlete myself. And so I understand firsthand how frustrating athletes can be if they get injured or need surgery. As a practitioner working with athletes, you need to understand how nutritional requirements change at different phases of their treatment and rehabilitation, and what specific nutrients may help and when. This course is approved by the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics as 2 CPEU hours at level 3. As with all Megabite courses, you get an online multiple choice questionnaire to test your knowledge before and after, a self-study reflection form, and a certificate of completion to add to your professional learning portfolio. This is a great course for those of you that work with athletes and need to keep up to date with the latest research. So click on the link to get started now.